Shalom Aleichem, everyone. Happy Tu B'Av. I hope you are taking advantage of this amazing day. I wanted to let you know a few things. First of all, in a few hours, I'm going live. I have a lecture here in Las Vegas, in Henderson. All the information is on atzmut.org/tour. And in a few hours, I'm going to start, 6:30 p.m. Las Vegas time. It's going to be broadcasted live, and I highly, highly recommend you join this lecture. More than that, from the amount of names that were submitted, I understand that a lot of you either didn't participate or didn't see the messages. Normally I get much more names. So I wanted to remind you, it's Tu B'Av. It's a very powerful day. If you go to my website, atzmut.org/15th of Av, you'll see, first of all, instructions of what you need to do. And you'll see a place where you can submit names, because today we're starting a rally of prayers till Rosh Hashanah, where you can join us in these prayers. And I will explain a lot during the lecture, but I highly recommend that you participate, first of all, with the prayers before the names. Just recite the prayers and do the instructions, because today is such a powerful day, and don't miss out. And even if you're late, still listen to the lecture tonight, because it's going to enlighten you and give you real strong tools to go by for the next month and a half till Rosh Hashanah. So I highly, highly recommend. And today is such a powerful day. As the Ben Ish Chai says, that all judgments can be sweetened, harsh decrees can be changed. Anything that is a blockage in your parnasa, in finding your other half, anything that you kind of like in a dead end, today is the day to transform, to flip. And I'll explain everything in the lecture coming up in a few hours. So Bezrat Hashem, please join us in the live lecture, or live if you are in Las Vegas. Thursday night, I have a lecture tomorrow night in Denver, and Sunday night in Denver, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week in Brooklyn and Queens. All the information is on atzmut.org/tour. All the information for the 15th of Av is on atzmut.org/15th of Av. Links are underneath this video. Please share this video, but please, for your sake, you'll thank me later. And when you'll hear all the explanations, you'll even be more like, wow. Take advantage of this day. Take 15 minutes, read the Tehillim, do the prayers, do tshuva, give some charity, do whatever you need to do, because it's one in a year day opportunity. So I want to wish you success. I want to wish you all the best, a safe summer wherever you are. May Hashem protect you. And Bezrat Hashem, I will see you either in the live lectures here in the tour in the United States, or in the live lectures. And Bezrat Hashem, may Hashem bless us all with great happiness, success, good sustenance, parnasa, zivugim, and everything that our heart desires, in order to serve Him in the best way possible. Take advantage of Tu B'Av. Happy Tu B'Av. Share this video, and I'll see you in the live lecture in a few hours.